Want to explore farmland investing? AcreTrader makes it easy. This unique platform lets accredited investors own shares of agricultural land, offering a stable, long-term investment with historically low volatility and strong returns. AcreTrader's data-driven approach analyzes soil quality, water access, crop yields, and market conditions to select only the best properties. This rigorous process minimizes risk and maximizes potential. You buy fractional ownership in farms, earning passive income through lease agreements and land appreciation. It's a much lower barrier to entry than buying a whole farm. AcreTrader's easy-to-use dashboard keeps you informed with transparent financial reporting, performance updates, and regular distributions. They handle all property management, including insurance, taxes, and farmer communication, a truly hands-off investment. Farmland is also a great way to diversify, as it's historically less correlated with stocks and bonds. This makes AcreTrader a strong choice during market volatility. Remember, AcreTrader is for accredited investors with a long-term, 5 to 10-year outlook. While stable, farmland is less liquid than publicly traded assets. If you're an accredited investor seeking a stable, hands-off approach to farmland, AcreTrader might be right for you. Explore the links below to see if it fits your portfolio diversification strategy.